And to make it short, it is the project of Andreas Fogarasi.
I'm very connected to CEU. Over many years, many friends have studied there, people I've worked with. It feels like it is a little bit part of my history too. I have a personal and professional relationship to Budapest that is very strong. It meant a lot to me to make a connection between these two places, between Budapest and Vienna. And finally I did this with a very simple gesture, which means to bring a line drawing of the facade of the Budapest building in Nádoruca that CEU has built for itself over many years, onto the facade of the new building in Vienna.
It was a hard work to select one person. One project was more evident because he was really fit to the building and was bringing a kind of new area. Andreas did propose this way of inviting history, but in the same time, by adding the profile of the building in Budapest, he invites us also to project into the future.
What is important for my work is to look very precisely at things, to inspect and to research and to gather knowledge and to make knowledge available to others. Bringing the facade of the partly historic buildings in Budapest onto this facade makes us think about history and constant change that our societies are going through.